Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today I'm actually going to do another unboxing from another company that I got their product from. I'm still working on some sets. If this video doesn't look quite right, I'm experimenting with some lights that I recently got for lighting and everything, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'm still kind of testing out the waters on that just so I can kind of improve my videos a little bit because I do record a lot at nighttime, so I decided to get some photography lights to set up where I can record at nighttime. And today, while I'm recording this video, it's not nighttime, it's actually kind of cloudy outside, so I can't really use the natural light. But today I am going to do an unboxing of the EloBeth Nintendo Switch charging grip. You can pick this up for about $20 on Amazon right now, and it's basically kind of just an off-brand of the charge grip for the Nintendo Switch. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. So on the front, we got what the product's gonna look like, and then there's nothing really much else on the packaging, but it is kind of simple packaging. I have actually never picked up the charger grip because I actually don't run my Joy-Cons down all the way when playing the Switch, and I'm a fan of using the charge grip too over the grip that came with it. I'm a fan of the grip, so I've never actually bought a Pro controller. So for people like me, something like this for long gaming periods would be pretty good to get. So it does charge by micro USB, which that's almost kind of common with most of the devices that use charging. I have hundreds of those cables. We do get a little instruction manual, just kind of going over really how to use it. It's kind of fairly simple to understand. You put the Joy-Cons in and it works. And then here is the start of the show. This is a little bit different than it's changed a little bit in design of what the official Nintendo one. The grips are actually a little bit, I'd say, further apart. But overall, it does kind of look kind of like an official Nintendo product. You have your Joy-Con indicators over here, and then you do have a micro USB port up here. The one major thing that I have noticed with these is it does not have like the little metal bracket on the thing to hold more securely, to hold the Joy-Con more securely. I actually have the original Nintendo one that came with it. As you can see, it's got Switch on it, Nintendo on back, and that's all that the regular grip has. And as you can tell, the grips itself are a little small and different things compared to what this one looks like. As you can see, put them on one top of another, you can almost fit the entire grip in this new one. So yeah, let's actually put the grips in to see how nice it does look. One thing that I'm pretty sure with no metal bracket, let's already start charging one. And up here you do got two little indicator lights that show that they're charging. So overall, the feel of it is going to be a little bit heavier because it does have that battery pack on it. But overall, the feel does kind of feel a lot better and more like ergonomic when playing. I'm not sure, I'd have to look at the regular charger, but I'm not sure the middle section is as wide as it is on this one. And then, as you can see on the back, you do have a little button. But overall, it does kind of look good. One thing that you are not going to get, I noticed when sliding these in, is you're not going to get that lock ability like you do with the original, because it doesn't have the metal brackets. Meaning you can just do this and it unslides. It's not securely locked in, so you don't have to push the button in the back to unlock it. That's one of the down points to it. Is that, but which really I don't think that's that big of a deal unless you're doing a lot of heavy gaming that requires you to use a thumbstick a lot. Not that bad, actually. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. So yeah, if you're interested in picking one of these up, I will leave a link down below where you can pick one of these up. And if you do like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next one.